Katie here from Katie's World. Welcome to my channel. Thanks for tuning in today. In this video, I'm just going to show you what comes in the Christmas Folio Album Kit. Now, this book, I do have a walkthrough video on my channel. I will link it below so you can see exactly everything that, or how the album looks, sorry. Okay, so you are going to receive a full color step-by-step instructions. You have two sets in here. So one set just gives you the photos to see how to put it together. All the pieces are cut for you, and this just shows you where to place them. Then you're going to have a base. This is just putting the whole base of the book together, and it shows you step by step. All the pieces are cut for you. Okay, and you're going to receive the magnets that you need, all of the decorative pieces, and they are all bags are labeled. That is facing up. The side that the label is on, please, when you pull these out, leave them face up. They are double-sided. That could get confusing if you accidentally turn a stack upside down as you're pulling it out. It'll be harder to find your pieces. So I highly recommend when you pull it out of the bag, leave all the pieces face up, the side that the label is on. Okay, so there's all your decorative packets. But the first thing you're going to want to do is put together the base. Now, those are all in the solid color packets. And you can see how everything is labeled. If you have any questions while putting together any one of my kits, please feel free to contact me. I am more than happy to help you. Okay, so then you're going to receive a 12 by 12 cut apart sheet and a 12 by 12 sticker sheet. Now, I do have one kit left of this. I'll put the link below. I just want to tell you this particular kit, this is the last one I have. I did not have any more of this diamonds decorative paper, so it is substituted out with the stripe. So I'll just show you real quick how that would look. So this is the piece. It would go right here, just like that. So that's the look you would get for that one. And then there's one other piece which is inside, and it's on the back of this insert right here. It's also going to be the striped paper. So just so you're aware, when you're putting it together, this piece is omitted and you have the stripes instead. But it's from the same collection. It coordinates perfectly. And so that's it. So thank you so much again for watching. Please like this video if you enjoyed watching today. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more videos from me. And click that bell for notifications so you don't miss a thing. And please follow me on Facebook and Instagram, where I post updates of upcoming projects. Thank you once again, and have a great day.